Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. I am excited today because I'm going to be reviewing some tights and I'm really impressed by the way these have arrived, so that is why I am excited. Now, have I reviewed any Gatta before? Maybe once, I'm not sure, but Gatta's a bit more of a new brand for me, so I haven't sort of had lots of different pairs before, so it's always nice to continue to kind of try them. But here is what I am going to be reviewing today. Now these are the Gatta Astrea seamed tights. I have them in the colour black, and they are in a size 4, which equates to a large. And as you could probably guess, these come from the Tight Spot, and they are currently retailing on the Tight Spot for £10.95, so a little bit more pricey. Well, they're not really pricey, but they're more than your sort of £7-8, but that is because there's quite a lot of detail on them. And also they've kind of come packaged quite uniquely, quite differently. So I'm going to sort of talk about the packaging and then we'll get more into the tights. But these have come in a box, and the box is kind of meant to almost be book-like. So as you can see here, round the sides is kind of giving like book. I mean, very sort of, yeah, it's interesting because the more I look at the packaging now, there's almost sort of like quotes in a couple of different languages, but sometimes you get that on sort of like bestseller books where they have a quote from like a critic or something. So I think they're kind of, yeah, they're trying to go for like a book vibe, which is kind of cool. Yeah, and then it just opens out exactly like a book, wrapped with a little bit of tissue paper. So I'm quite like it. I think it's quite different, and when you then factor that into the sort of price, it's quite nice to have something a little bit different like that. Usually you think of more expensive, kind of much sort of higher end things having these kind of things. So yeah, now you can see the design of these quite easily. They've got a really gorgeous kind of panty design on them. It's a little bit of almost like a flock damask-y kind of print. We've got a little heart detail with a back seam, and then we've actually got quite a long mid-calf-ish, depending. Well, almost like a bit of a Cuban heel, but with a lot more detail, and that little heart there again. So super cute. They look like they've got a T-top reinforcement as well. Now these are a 20, yeah, it does say that actually, a 20 denier, a T waistband, a French heel, and stretchy elastane. So we'll have a quick look at the back. So you get a little bit more of a close-up of the front of the panty kind of design at the top. And yeah, we get a little bit of information, which I'll look at, a couple of extra little bits, and then more of the product specifics down here. It's not too bad. It's a bit, overall the packaging I think is cool, but it's still a little bit too red for me because I'm not a huge fan of red. And I'll just say here, we've got this spine as well. So yeah, we're going full on book vibes, which is quite cute. So, what does this say here? Fun is sometimes the beginning of love. Arse. Well, there we go. Ars Amande, the art of love, elation, sophisticated, slightly provocative, reveals the sensuality of the female body, engenders mutual desire and willingness to search new areas in the erotic map of the body, dressed in sensual stockings, strip panty, fishnet stockings. Tempting sweet secret. There's a lot of words in that. I'm not sure if that is the most perfect translation. This is a Polish brand. So yeah, I think they've again tried to go with that sort of like mysterious back of the book kind of description, which makes sense but doesn't make sense. But again, I think that's a little bit of translation issues there. And it just says fancy ladies tights with the addition of elastane yarn. We are 88% polyamide, 11% elastane and 1% polypropylene. So we've got a reasonable amount of stretch in this too. We are hand wash only, and it says here we've got a little bit of an English translation for sizing, that a size 4/large is a 12 to 14. So in theory these should fit absolutely perfectly. Whether they will or not is another case. So as I said, I'm going to open this up again. We've got this little bit of tissue paper here, and we've got the product. So I do actually think it's quite a nice touch what they've done with this. I think that Gatta's tights have actually got quite interesting designs on them, so it's nice to see them doing something interesting with the packaging as well. But let's have a look at these, wrapped in the plastic and then just the plain cardboard as always. Okay, let's see. So at the moment, having a little look at these, I can just see the red heart, but not much else. So I'll start where I always start, at the top. Shake them out a little bit and get rid of one of my hairs, which is instantly on them. So turn them round. So waistband, nice and thick actually, feels really soft, got a good amount of tautness to it, and as it's stated, you've got that T reinforcement, so you've got a soft T at the top and then going into the crotch area. So this is going to be really hard to show, this design, but maybe we can get a little bit of an idea. So here is some of that sort of panty design with the little red heart there, and we can see that there's a couple of different sort of ways in which this kind of goes. We've got a thicker bit here, this is a bit thin around here, and then we've obviously got this scallop lacing here. Like I said, it's going to be quite difficult to actually show you, but it will go all the way down. So from the little heart we can see that it's fully seamed all the way, and then we come down to that French heel. So yeah, we start here. As you can see, we've got the red heart, and that goes down into the French heel. If I can just, yeah, there we go. So you can kind of see the detail on this a little bit better, that kind of design. And actually the back seam itself actually follows onto the down to the toes. There isn't actually any reinforcement at all, just to note. But yeah, so back seam, the French heel part, that little red detail, I quite like that because it's not too big. I didn't know whether or not actual fact that they would be really sort of big red hearts, but they're not, which is nice. So yeah, wow, there's only one more thing to do, isn't there, and kind of try them on, but they seem to have a good amount of stretch to them. But let's go ahead and try them on, see what they're like. They aren't shaped in any way. Let's see what they're like, see how they fit. I'm going to be intrigued because they should be perfect. So fingers crossed, let's have a look. So the tights are on, as you can see, which is always a good sign. So what were they like to get on? At first I was a little bit worried. They started to get a little bit dicey to put on towards the top, but I would say, and you'll know what I mean if you are somebody that wears quite a lot of tights, there are some tights that go on and remain completely like as stiff as they did the first time you put them on. But there are those tights that they almost sort of like heat up with your body temperature and get slightly stretchier. So I put them on and they were a little bit kind of, okay, these might kind of ladder. And then the more they were kind of on, the stretchier they became, to a point where they don't at all have that kind of tautness that I was a bit sort of on the fence about at all. Yeah, they're absolutely fine. So they were actually easy enough to get on without any issues. The only thing I would say is, obviously when you're putting the tights on, you're going to have to kind of work hard to get part of the seams straight. But because I'm used to, I guess probably more stockings, I'm used to a super straight seam that goes essentially, it's kind of like halfway across the butt cheek kind of thing, if you were to make them into tights. These sit a little bit further more on the side, not like right on the side, but just kind of on the side a little bit. So don't expect them to sort of be straight up. They kind of go up a little bit like that. I think they're really nice actually. So I will go ahead, I'll start with the feet, showing you like I always do, and then we'll go from there. So we'll look at the front of the tights, how they look. So yeah, we'll start with the feet. So there was no reinforcement on the feet at all, but they're nice, clean. They've got a really nice sheen to them actually, these tights. I'm not sure how well they sort of pick up on camera, but because we've got a little bit of the sunshine, I'm hoping that we'll kind of see that a little bit more. But they've got a really, really lovely sheen. They've got quite a nice knit to them as well. They are what I would call a little bit more open, a bit more of an open knit. Oh, and also, before I forget, the seam does run from toe all the way kind of round the foot there. So they do have the seam. The seam is quite a flat seam and it's not super thick, so it doesn't feel like you've got kind of a lump, because I have had a couple of pairs of hosiery before where you can actually feel the seam when you kind of in a shoe, and that's actually quite irritating. So yeah, they are a 20 denier, and I think they've got a nice amount of coverage to them, but they're actually quite a nice sheerness as well. I would definitely say they're giving me sort of, yeah, maybe a 20 or even a 15. But they don't particularly have lots and lots of defects either, which is great. We have a little one on this side of the right, or my right leg, really tiny, but weirdly enough there's actually one kind of on the same kind of side, so they're kind of matching. But other than that, they're a really clean pair of tights. So let's reveal the back design, which is actually really, really rather lovely, I think. I wasn't sure how much the pattern would distort, but it stayed perfect. We've got this gorgeous, I'll just take my shoe out, this absolutely gorgeous French heel, damasky kind of flock print design all the way up to the heart. The heart hasn't changed shape at all. It's not become too big, it's just the right kind of size, and then the seam all the way up. So you can probably kind of see the sort of trajectory of the line being a little bit less sort of straight and more sort of here. Now obviously it's got a really gorgeous design on the back and the front. I'm not going to show you the whole thing just because you know what YouTube can be like. So I will show you the side, which gives you a little bit of an idea of the design. And again, this hasn't changed at all. It's really, really quite a gorgeous sort of look to it. Really, really lovely. And then it is just the same on the front too. They just have that extra sort of design here, creating a little bit of scalloping. But yeah, it's really, really quite a lovely design on the top. We have the T reinforcement. That also looks really nice. Although obviously when you're putting something like that on, it's a bit more stretched. We've still got the depth of colour there, and we've still got the pattern there, which is actually non-stretched. I have tried on so many pairs of tights with a pattern around certainly the hips and the bum area, and the pattern just completely stretches, out of shape, looks really strange, just doesn't look, you know, how it looks on the picture, all that kind of stuff. So it's really nice that these have stayed exactly the same, literally from toe to waist. I really like these. I think they're really, really nice. They had the potential to really not be good, but I'm really impressed with them. And I think actually for the price, £10.95, for the tights themselves, the kind of construction and the quality of them is really good. They feel really nice around the waistband. Like I said, the knit and the weave of them is really nice. There's a tiny, tiny couple of defects on them, but considering my sort of shape of leg and the fact that these are a 20 denier, I think that's really, really good. And the designs aren't changing shape. The only thing I will say to touch is they're not the softest. They don't feel itchy or scratchy on, but if you're touching them with your own sort of hand, they're not like super duper soft or anything. They've got a little bit of texture to them. But size wise, 12 to 14. When I first put them on, I thought no. But now they're on, now they seem to have like warmed up to my body heat and become a bit more malleable. They're actually perfect. I would say they've got a little bit more, let's see, have they got a little bit more give in them? It's always super difficult to, they've got a little bit of give in them. If I go here, yes, they do have give. So I would say for them to be like a 12 to 14, I think they are pretty true to size, which is nice because not all Polish brands are as true to size. I usually find they come up a bit smaller. So I really like these. I'm actually going to rate these quite highly. I don't have anything that's really sticking out as a no-no. So I think just because they're not quite as soft a touch and there's a couple of little defects, I'm actually going to give them a 9.5. I think they're really nice. I think they are worth the price for the design and the construction. And also don't forget that little gift box, that extra kind of touch. I think we would be looking at a lot more if it was maybe transparents, which usually start at least £15 for a patterned pair of fashion tights. So I think they're actually really good quality and really good value. So yeah, 9.5 out of 10. Let me know what you think of them. I'm going to quickly show you the back again because why not? But let me know what you think of them in the comments below. Whether or not these are your kind of things, what you think they look like, and what your experience has been with Gatta, if you have bought anything before. But remember, these will be linked in the description box below, so if you do like them, you can go ahead straight away, take a little look at them. I think at the moment they are sold out of the size small, so just, you know, we'll see. Medium, large should still be available, and hopefully the small will be back. And don't forget, if you do decide to purchase them, you can use my code Langford, and that will give you 10% off as well. So not even £10.95 anymore, are they? They're even better. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all soon for another review. Bye.